Imagine a laptop that transforms your everyday tasks into extraordinary experiences. Meet the IdeaPad 1i Gen 7. With a stunning 15.6 inches FHD display and razor-thin frame, your favorite shows come to life. Feel the power of rich, clear audio from two Dolby audio speakers, making every sound crisp and immersive. Work from anywhere with a battery that lasts all day and charges super fast, ensuring you never miss a beat. Enjoy clear video calls with smart noise cancelling, making remote work and virtual meetings a breeze. Powered by up to Intel's Celeron N4500 and Windows 11 Pro, this laptop is built for performance and efficiency. Store all your important files with up to 512 GB QLC M2 PCIe SSD, ensuring you have space for everything. Stay secure with a webcam privacy shutter, giving you peace of mind in every situation. Connect effortlessly with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0, keeping you linked to the world at all times. Choose your style with colors like cloud gray, abyss blue, and sand. The IdeaPad 1i Gen 7 is more than a laptop, it's your everyday companion. Discover the power of possibilities.